Hello everyone, welcome to Boozy TV, the official channel of Boozy, world's first social drinking platform. My name is Susovan and I am your host, also the co-founder and chief product officer of Boozy. Firstly, thanks for all the love and support on the first video where we introduced what is Boozy and what do we plan to make. If you haven't watched it yet, you can find the link below. And as I promised to you, today we will be discussing about why are we doing Boozy, what is our vision for the company, what is the need, etc. etc. And to talk about it, I have with me my partner Vivekanand. We call him Vivek. He is the co-founder and the CFO of Boozy. Yes, he is a very important and busy person. After all, he is the business guy. So hi Vivek, welcome to Boozy TV. Thanks for joining today.
Hi, Sushavan. Thanks a lot. It's my pleasure to be part of this session. I'm quite thrilled about it.
So Vivek, a lot of people have asked me, why are we starting Boozy? What is the purpose? What is the vision that we have in mind? So can you please talk about it a little?
The whole concept of Boozy came up during the lockdown when we had a lot of interaction with our friends and everyone, and the major topic was to do with alcohol, drinking, and because the bars were closed, people could not go out. So we found that there's a lot of interest in this particular in this segment. So then it came up like we wanted to create a platform that will be unique for alcohol lovers, where people can post their reviews, their cocktail recipes, etc. So then for further on, when we started studying the subject, we realized there's a huge deficit in what the consumer actually require, the demand of the consumer, and what the current supply in the market is. So we figured that part of the problem is the social stigma that's associated with drinking and purchase of liquor and stuff like that. So we conducted a lot of surveys, and through our this user interaction platform that we intend to create, we want to bridge those gaps of social stigma and stuff. And in the post-COVID era, we figured that there's a huge demand for an online delivery of liquor. People don't really want to go to the liquor shop and purchase it. And also, unlike other retail businesses, liquor doesn't have purchasing liquor is not a very feel-good factor. Mm-hmm. It doesn't have that feel-good factor to it. So over the next 6 months, we intend to start operations in 10 states in India, and now to maybe over the next 12 months, we want to do it in about 20 states.
Great. So Vivek, you mentioned about the drinking habits like excessive drinking, social stigma you mentioned, drinking habits in India, and you also mentioned about the deficit that you figured out. And we also brainstormed about it when we were starting it out. So can you elaborate on some of the key issues that we are trying to solve through Boozy?
Yes, as part of our research that we've done a lot of surveys. We figured that we will take it one at a time. Like women buyers, women who want to go and purchase alcohol, they find it very inconvenient to go to a store and pick up liquor from there. So through our online delivery platform, we intend to address that. And there's a lot of drunken driving that happens, and which causes a lot of deaths in our country. So through this, if you have a platform where somebody can deliver the alcohol at home, so we want to encourage more of responsible drinking. There's a general myth that alcohol consumption is not very good, but we believe that excessive consumption of alcohol is what is not very good. So through this, we want to promote responsible drinking, wherein we're going to set limits on how much a person can order, and we make it more informative. People don't have enough knowledge on the alcohol they're consuming, so we want to bridge that gap as well. And then there are issues of counterfeit liquor being sold that can be taken care through our tamper-proof delivery mechanism. And underage drinking can be stopped through technology. We've integrated our platform wherein we are going to verify the user's age and those kind of things. Mm-hmm. So that's how we want to solve the issues pertaining to the social stigma. And in the future, we even want to address the issues of depression also. For people who get depressed, we want to have a interactive place where people can come and talk to us about their depression or anything. So we intend to solve that issue as well.
So Vivek, coming to the business side of this, how will Boozy help the industry, the government, the local businesses, owners, everyone who is involved in this ecosystem? Can you briefly talk about that?
Yeah. So once when we started working on this, we figured that liquor is purely a subject matter of of the state governments. Their revenue, it's a major revenue source for the state government. So we figured that they are the key stakeholders in this. So in our interaction with them, we came to know that in the post-COVID space, sales of liquor have gone down drastically. So bringing a platform like this will increase the overall market size, thereby increasing their revenues as well. So that's how we're trying to drive the idea through different state governments. Currently, 6 states in India are permitting online delivery of liquor. We are hoping that over the next few months, we'll be able to convince more state governments to permit this system. And also, the other platform for drinking is bars and clubs, which have been shut since the first lockdown was enforced, and they're still not. The central government still doesn't permit that to open. We totally we support this initiative that they have taken. It promotes social distancing. But later, whenever the bars open, in that space also there's going to be a lot of gaps where people still don't want to come out and drink. So through Boozy, the bars and clubs can also market their offers or any events that they're having on our platform. And we intend to have, through technology, a very dynamic system wherein currently, if a bar is not on that particular day doesn't have a lot of business, they can push in more offers and they get a higher footfall on at their outlet. Mm-hmm. And we have a very comprehensive catalog. People can come and rate their various liquors that are available. And if there's a shortfall, it's like, for example, a brand is available in Karnataka and not available in Telangana. Mm-hmm. Through our system, there can be a mechanism wherein the demand can be created, and thereby the liquor manufacturing companies can gauge that and make their strategies for availability of that liquor in that state. So yeah, it seems like a right time for an Indian company to come up with a end-to-end content to commerce platform, totally dedicated only to liquor, and it's like a $30 billion and ever growing market in India. So yeah, we hope to crack this space.
Thanks, Vivek, for the deep insight on what is the thinking behind starting Boozy. And I'm sure our audience will understand our intent and ambitions behind Boozy and will definitely join us on the journey that is making an impact in the society while still enjoying a social drinking habit. So guys, that was our co-founder and CFO Vivek, and we will be having him on Boozy TV whenever we get a chance. I hope you had a great time today with us. Feel free to comment and tell us what you feel about our vision, what you think we should do, and any other feedback that you want to share. We will be discussing more such topics in our upcoming videos here on Boozy TV. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you are notified as soon as we bring our next video on the channel. Till then, cheers from Boozy.